but you. But then you kissed me, and now there's nothing else I wanna do. For the record, I never thought it would be you and me. You said tomorrow, let's see what happens, but it's plain to see. And tonight we're like fire and ice. I'm burning all over, and we're starting a riot tonight. Don't want this to be over. Any second we're all burned down. If we stay here, we'll probably drown. I know
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna edit a couple more photos from this photo shoot with Rosina, and let's get started. I'm gonna use the E5 for this one. As you can see that this is the VSCO app. We can use the E5 or HB2, either one for this. A little bit of the dreaminess filter, because I use the K&F Concept one-stop black diffusion filter. So it's overcast day. You can use the E5 also. So that's the two different vibes that you want to use. It depends on how your feet are constructed. So let me adjust the contrast a little bit. So that's a little bit of the magenta tone in the back because of the E5, and you can adjust slightly of the exposure, and then I can do the Instagram crop right here. Okay, so save it. Okay, so next one I'm gonna give a little bit more exposure. I'm gonna use the E5 but increase the exposure a little bit more, because just make sure a little bit brighter in front, and then increase the sharpening, slightly increase the contrast, and just 4:5 crop for Instagram. Okay, so slightly up. We can include a little bit more tree in the top. So let me save it. Next, this is similar location but different lighting. So I'm gonna use HB2 has a stronger contrast, 50%, around 50% of the adjustment right there, and then slightly sharpening a little bit, and then do an angle of 4:5 crop right here. Because the eyes is looking from the toward the top, so make sure there are some headroom, negative space for the top as well. So next one is similar. I'm gonna copy and paste to this one, paste it here, and then do an adjustment of 4:5 crop right here. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, so next one is similar lighting. I'm going to increase the exposure like the one that I did in the second photo. So increase the exposure a little bit. Let me double check. So yep, I think that's a good exposure already. Increase the contrast, and then 4:5 crop in here. So that's before and after. So you can see that it has a little bit brighter, better lighting. Let me save it. So next one, a similar, is in the same location, same shot. So I'm gonna adjust the light a little bit right here, and then adjust the cropping a little bit up so it keep more room in the top. Okay, so contrast to 20%. Okay, next one, so it's in the Christmas tree. So let me adjust the lighting just to check out which one, maybe HB2 for this one. So I'm going to use HB2, slightly increase and decrease the exposure a little bit, highlight safe. Okay, so you can see that the Christmas tree is behind. So let me just, so 4:5 crop like that. Okay, save it. Okay, and next one, so let me save it, and then just give those two have a similar lighting. Let me update that one. Okay, so 4:5 crop in here. Okay, and then next one, this one slightly too bright. I'm gonna decrease the exposure a little bit more for this one, and the 4:5 crop should be toward the center. Okay, so save it. Okay, so next one is in front of the building, so let me see which one. I'm gonna do the HP tool again, slightly increase the lighting a little bit, and then increase the contrast. 4:5 crop in here. Just highlight the bokeh in from the door. Make sure when you align the stair just to be parallel. You can see that's still a little bit tilted, but it has to be a little bit aligned for the overall lines in the back. So let me save this one, and then the next one is similar. I'm gonna copy and paste it to the next one right here. And then slightly adjust the alignment. Okay, so that's my quick edit for these photos. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.